So with that in mind, I'm going to invite us all to take a moment to stop forcing, stop gripping, stop willing something into place by sheer effort, but to invite ourselves to be soft, responsive, directed by something deeper than sheer muscle or strength, but to allow ourselves to go within right now and spend a few moments. So that faculty of will is also in our front forebrain, where our understanding is located. I invite all of us to take a few moments here, and if you're comfortable, close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. And thinking of this faculty of will to gently choose right now to settle in, to spend some time in community silence together. And if at any moment your mind is racing or wanting to jump into action, allow yourself the freedom to breathe, to choose a quieter moment. Allow yourself to be still. So as you go forward, do not think of will as your power to overcome, to control, but more about a choosing our response to what is happening through softening, through understanding. through a willingness to let go.